Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can add product to Shopify store in really simple steps. So let's just start and let's just jump into it. So what you want to do is just click here on products. If you have like all products here, you want to click on add product. When you will be here, let's just start. First, let's create a title which needs to be catchy and it needs to be good description for also SEO. So I'm going to write here, I don't know, Nike shoes 2020 edition. Then what you want to do in description, write a long description and really just, you can also use bullet points for about your shoes or whatever product you got. So let's go, I don't know. Nice. So then you upload a photo. I really recommend uploading a photo which is like really great resolution. Then you have pricing. I recommend using prices like 98, 99, those circle numbers. So I don't know, like this. Compare at price, I don't know, let's go with the 20. You can have also cost per item and you can charge tax on this product if you want. So you got inventory that you can like SKU if you stop keeping unit and barcode if you have it. Then you just put quantity here. Or you don't need to track quantity if you don't need to. If you like unlimited, if you are drop shipping and ordering from China all the time, you don't need to track quantity. Then you have shipping, like this is physical product. You can change from kilos to grams to whatever. Country of origin, really simple. And then you have variants, which are really important. And I think you're going to use them, maybe not. So again, size, let's go. Let's use European sizes. And then you got another option, color, again, white, black, whatever. Then you will have a preview here that you can increase or decrease prices. So let's say that 43 white are going to cost, I don't know, 30 euro, not 17. One of the last things I'm going to talk to you about is SEO and why it's really important to change the URL and handle if you want to. So page title, if someone's going to write next to 2020 edition, this is what they will see. Then you are going to have a description. You can change the description. The description can be completely different comparing to the description of the product. So URL and handle. Again, you can edit it if you want. It's up to you. Many people are editing. I will recommend looking for competition, how they make it, and just analyze it if they got good positions on Google and try to inspire. Don't copy, inspire. So next thing I want to show you is organization, product type. Let's just write here shoes or what vendor. Let's go with Nike. Collection, we will get to the collection soon. And then you have tags. I recommend using like, I don't know, shoes 2020 edition, Nike, summer. Yeah. You can put like as many tags as you want. It's really up to your imagination how many you use them. So when we have it, let's save it and let's go to collections now. When we are in the collections, let's create a collection. Let's say that we want to create a summer collection. So now, again, you can put description. And now this is really important, the collection type. Many people are in Reddit and also Twitter are saying that their collections are not working really well because they have two options. The first one, manual. If you got many products, you need to add manual every single product to the collection. Or you can have automated. So let's say that conditions. If the product title contains Nike, it will be added to summer collection. So let's say that you name your collection Nike collection, right? Then you would be like condition, if the product title contains Nike, it will be put it to the summer collection. Okay, and just save it now. And when we have it, when we go back to products, and when we click on Nike, we can see it here that it will automatically add it to our summer collection. But let's say that I'm going to create a collection, which is like Nike. And we are going to click manual. And I'm going to save it. I need to go to the all products now, and I need to add here to the Nike collection. So this is what is really important, okay? And just click save. Now also what I recommend to you, let's jump to the online store, and I recommend you to adding one thing for your products. And that's reviews. Reviews are really important and really good, and you can use application like Judge Me product reviews, which is really great and really easy to use. Or also what I recommend to use is like Sales Ends In. Okay, you can see it here, that you can just download it from the App Store. Also, I recommend you using Ultimate Sales Boost. Download it too. Okay, edit. And you can use like, I will show you what you can do. Add new campaign, and you can like sales sticker, advanced inventory countdown, get it by timer, free shipping, flash sale. So these are really, really good. And this is what I recommend to use. So these two for products are, you need to have them. So this is how you can add products in Shopify. If this video was helpful, or if you have any questions about products, collection, tags, whatever, I'll be really happy to help you. I made more than 40 tutorials right now on Shopify, and I enjoy really teaching people, so I can teach you too. If you have any questions, ask down below, I will help you. And thank you for watching. If you like this, you can support me, subscribe, I'll be really thankful for it. You know how it goes and you know the drill. So yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.